Hi, sharing this 9K solid gold gorgeous bracelet na may apple green cubic zirconia na medyo malaki kay customer. So, since this is Hong Kong setting, medyo alanganin ako dito ipagawa. So, since talagang gusto ito ni client na hindi ko naman siya masisisi kasi nga sobrang ganda, I find ways at naghanap ako talaga ng mapapagkatiwalaan na pwedeng gumawa nito. At the end, we downsized the bracelet at eto yung result. Parang walang nangyari. Maayos naman yung pagkakagawa. So, now we're accepting additional service like this one. Pag may gusto kayo na pwedeng i-resize, so pwede nating maisama sa service natin. So, ready to send na to kay client and I hope she will like it. Napakaganda. And she can use the other piece para sa pendant. So, ayan. So, this will be sent soon to client and I hope she will like it already. And eto, nagustuhan niya at the end. Both parties are happy. And that's what matters to us. So, ayun. Thank you. Bye.